Hello everyone! Today, I will teach you on how to change GPS location on Android phone. Go to the Play Store on your Android device and search for Location Changer and install the app. Once the app is installed, open it on your device. Then, go to your device settings. Scroll down and find Developer Options. Within Developer Options, find and Select Mock Location app. From the list of apps, choose Location Changer as the mock location app. Open the Location Changer app and agree to the terms and conditions, and permit any required permissions. In the Location Changer app, select the country where you want to change your location. After selecting the desired country, click on Start button within the Location Changer app to change your GPS location. To verify the changed location, open Google Maps or any other mapping app. Then, check the displayed location to confirm that it matches the location you selected in the Location Changer app. Now, you have successfully changed your GPS location on your Android device using the Location Changer app. By following these steps, you can easily change your GPS location on your Android phone.